Hi, welcome to Cashfree Payments. In this video, we will talk about Payment Gateway by Cashfree Payments. Payment Gateway by Cashfree Payments is a next-generation payment gateway. Here's why leading businesses like IRCTC, Nykaa, Ritu Kumar, Ixigo, etc. are using Payment Gateway by Cashfree Payments for payment collection and refund management. 120 plus payment options. With over 120 plus payment modes, Cashfree Payments provides the widest range of payment modes, both domestic and international, such as credit or debit cards, net banking, UPI, PayPal, and so on. E-commerce store, ready-to-use plugins. We have built plugins for all major e-commerce hosting platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, etc. Integrate Cashfree Payments with your online store using the plugins and start collecting payments within minutes. Advanced features like instant settlements and pre-authorization. 15 minutes instant settlements lets you respond faster to business opportunities and challenges. Complete Refunds Payment Suite. Use the Cashfree Payments Refund Suite to initiate full or partial customer refunds on online orders, cash on delivery orders and deposits, and delight your customers. To use Payment Gateway, visit the website and create your account. Complete your KYC and your account will be activated within 24 to 48 hours. Once your account is created, log into your Cashfree Payments account and on the home page, you can see your Cashfree Payments activated products. You can also view the account manager's details here. Feel free to reach out to your account manager in case you have any queries related to your Cashfree Payments account. Now, under Payment Gateway, click on Access to proceed further. The Payment Gateway helps you navigate through different sections of the product. This section provides an overview of the payment collections at a glance, including insight into your daily and weekly transactions. Here, you can view the recent settlements, unsettled amount, disputed and suspicious transactions. You can also view the total number of transactions and refunds with the respective amount. You can get the average transaction value in the graph view. Further, you can also get a sense of payment methods most preferred by customers by referring to this chart. Use the date filter to view details for a specific period. Under Transactions, you can view the details of all the payments in different stages like refunds, batch refunds, disputes, and suspicious transactions. Under the Payments tab, you can view all the payments received and their status against the orders created. Click on a transaction to view the customer details like name, email, contact number, etc. You can use various filters like status, payment methods, capture status, order amount, etc. to search for a particular transaction. If you want to initiate a full or partial refund for a particular order, click on the Initiate Refund button against a successful transaction. Enter the amount and click on OK. Your refund will be processed successfully within 2 to 3 working days. The Refunds tab can be used to view the status of all the refunds initiated. To check the refund status of a particular transaction, click on the transaction for which the refund is already initiated, and you can view all the necessary details like customer details, date of initiation, etc. You can also use the filters to view specific data like pending or successful refunds. You can use the Batch Refunds feature to initiate refunds in bulk. All you need to do is click on Download Sample File. Add all the required details in the sample downloaded, save the file, and click on Upload File. Once uploaded, you can view all the refund requests with details like number of records uploaded, records successfully processed for refund, status, etc. If you want to check the details of the batch refunds, just click on the download button and your batch refund report will be available to you in a CSV format. The Disputes tab can be used to view all the transactions marked as disputed. A transaction is marked disputed where a customer questions the validity of a transaction initiated through his or her registered debit or credit card account. Customers may report a disputed transaction for various reasons like unauthorized transactions, excessive charges, failure by the merchant to deliver goods or products, dissatisfaction with the products or services received, etc. On receiving a dispute complaint by a customer, our team adds the complaint under review, and until the transaction remains unresolved, it will be marked as dispute opened. You can view all the open dispute details and take necessary actions. Once the decision is made, it will be marked as dispute closed. In case a customer raises a complaint directly with the bank, cash-free payments receive a chargeback from the bank. A chargeback will be the same as shown here. Transactions identified as high risk are marked as suspicious. These transactions will be analyzed, and cash-free payments notifies the merchant via email for any further documents or clarifications required. In case of suspicious payments, you can view all the details by clicking on that transaction. Settlement is a process through which you receive money paid by your customers via Payment Gateway by Cash-free Payments. Under the Settlements tab, you can view all the settlements received against your customer payment collection. A standard settlement cycle is T plus 2 days. That is, for a payment capture on Monday, the amount will be credited to your account on Wednesday. Note, 15-minute instant settlements is also available on request. You can write to your account manager to get instant settlements activated. You can check the status of all the settlements here. If you want to reconcile the settlements with your records, you can download a settlement recon report. You can use various filters to find a particular transaction. With cash-free payments 15 minutes instant settlements, you can now get complete control over your working capital and can plan your cash reserves better without settlement uncertainties. With immediate access to funds, you can pay your staff and other operational expenses on time with absolutely no hassle. Instant access to funds lets you respond faster to business opportunities and challenges. Vendor Settlements helps you download reports for each settlement and helps with accurate split of settlements as communicated by you during the order creation. If you want to reconcile these settlements with your records, you can download a Settlement Recon report. Easy Split by Cash-free Payments lets you automate the splitting of payments with stakeholders and provide real-time reporting of transactions, settlements, refunds, and vendor payment adjustments, making it easy for your finance team to manage their books without hassle. Click on Download Sample File. Add all the required details in the sample downloaded and click on Upload File to upload the file. To add a vendor, click on Add Vendor. Enter the vendor details. Now enter the bank and settlement details and click on Add Vendor. Payment Links is a no-code payment solution that enables you to receive payments remotely for the goods and the services you provide to your customers. Create a unique payment link with a fixed amount and the purpose of the payment and share it with your customers via email, SMS, WhatsApp, Instagram or other platforms and receive payments. To create a payment link, click on Create Payments Link. Enter the required details. Now click on Create to proceed. The payment link created is shareable with the customers. Merchants can also send reminders to their customers for the payments awaited. You can also edit the link in case there are any modifications in order details. Cash-free payments' most exciting feature, Product Links, helps you create common payment links for each of your products and share directly with your customers on any channel like WhatsApp, Instagram, email, etc. and accept payments. Just click on Create Product Link button and enter the required details. Now click on Create. You can also edit and save the link in case there are any modifications in the order details. Cash-free payments offers a wide range of reports for its merchants like transactions, settlements, refunds, ledger, payment link transactions, etc. for better understanding and reconciliation at a transactional level. To download the report, just select the report type. You can use various filters to generate your report as per your preference. Now, click on Generate Report to generate the report. You can now download the generated report or also delete it. You can also search and filter the generated reports. In case you want to use the APIs, go to this link and complete these steps. Under the Developers tab, you can generate API keys and get service alerts. In the Settings tab, under Payment Methods, you can view the activated payment methods and other available modes. Note, if you wish to make any changes to the payment modes available or update your bank accounts, you can write to us at care@cashfree.com. Under Email Notifications, you can add members in your organization to receive the emails. Also get notified about payment confirmation, refund, dispute mails, etc. The emails can only be sent to the registered email IDs. The Bank Accounts tab displays the active and inactive settlement accounts and also the refund recharge account. In case you wish to do a test transaction, just switch to the test environment. If you have any queries related to your cash-free payments account, feel free to reach out to your account manager or write to us at care@cashfree.com. For any technical queries, you can write to us at techsupport@cashfree.com.